If you think building a complete website with database connection is hard, then I'm going to prove you completely wrong. In this tutorial, we're going to build a Django website with admin panel and database connection, and we're going to use the AI completely for free in this tutorial. And I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So if you are a beginner, then this is the perfect tutorial for you. Since we're going to create a Django e-commerce project, so we need to have few things installed in our system. So we need to have Python and Node.js installed in our system. So first of all, you need to go to your search option right here, CMD, and here you can see command prompt. Click on this, and you need to make sure that you have Python installed. So in order to check whether you have Python installed or not, you need to say over here Python dash dash version. Then press enter, and if you see the Python version, it means Python is installed on your system. And if you do not see any Python version, then you need to go to your browser, and in the browser search for Python, and here you can see python.org. So you need to click here, and from here just go to this download option, and here you can see it will show you these versions. So you just need to click here and it will install Python on your system. So once you have Python installed, then you need to have one more thing installed on your system, and that is called Node.js. Again, in order to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, you need to say over here node dash dash version, then press enter. If you see Node.js version, that's great, and it means Node.js is installed. Otherwise, you need to again go to the browser, and in the browser search for Node.js. Here nodejs.org, click here. So it will take you to this page, and here you can see download option. You need to click on download, then choose the LTS version, then go down and click here. So it will download a file and you just need to install it. So installing Node.js is really simple, and also installing Python is really simple as well. So you just need to install those. That means you are ready to create your Django e-commerce project using AI. So let me just close those. And first of all, what we need to do is that we need to create a Django project first. So we are not going to use AI to create our Django project because AI is not that good to create a project from scratch. So we just need to build our Django project structure. Then we're going to use AI to build our project. So let me just go to my folder, and I will create my project over here. So let me just right click here, then click on new, then click on folder. So let's say here Django underscore project, Django underscore project, and there you can see our folder is created. So let's go inside the folder, and there you can see we are now in the folder. So right now we need to click at the top right over here CMD, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt like this. So first of all, we need to set up our environment to create our Django project. So we need to say here Python -m venv, then press enter. So it will create a folder over here venv, and when this command is done, we need to activate this venv. So in order to activate this, we need to say over here venv, which is this one. Then we need to give a slash here, backslash, then we need to write over here scripts. Make sure the S is capital. Again, give over here backslash, and we need to say over here activate. Then press enter, and there you can see this activated. So once activated, you will see this bracket venv. So right now we need to install Django. So in order to install Django, we need to say over here pip install Django. We need to write this, then press enter. So it will take a few seconds to install Django, and there you can see it is done. So after that, we are going to create our e-commerce project. So in order to create e-commerce project, we need to write over here. Let me just make it bigger like this. We are going to say over here Django dash admin start project, and then we need to mention our project name. So our project will be a e-commerce website. So let me just say over here e-commerce. You can name it anything, but you can name this anything, but this part needs to be same. So right now we're going to press enter, and it will create a e-commerce folder over here. There you can see, and our project creation is done. So here you can see e-commerce folder over here is created. So if you now go inside, there you can see we have manage.py and the e-commerce folder. Okay. So right now what we need to do is that we need to go to this folder location. So for it, we need to say over here cd e-commerce, which which is our this folder name. Then we're going to press enter, and there you can see currently we are in the project directory. There you can see e-commerce. So this will be our project. So in order to run this project, we need to say over here Python. Then we need to say here manage.py, then run server. So why Python manage.py? If we now go inside the e-commerce folder, there you can see we have manage.py file over here. That's why. So right now, if we just press enter, it will run our project. There you can see our project is running at this address. So let me just copy this. And if we now go to our browser, just go to any browser, paste it here, then press enter. And there you can see our Django project creation is done. And our project is running properly. So right now we're going to use AI to do the rest of the work for us. So let me just minimize this. And here you can see e-commerce folder, right? So we need to go inside this e-commerce folder, and here you can see e-commerce. So I'm going to click here at the top right over here cmd, then press enter. So we are going to open another command prompt here. So here, first of all, we are going to install a AI, and the AI we are going to install is called OpenCode. So let me just go to our browser, and in the browser, we are going to search for opencode.ai. Then press enter, and here you can see OpenCode, and OpenCode is open source. It means it's completely free, so you don't have to pay anything, and it is almost as good as Cloud Code or Gemini. Okay. So here, in order to install OpenCode, we need to run this command. Here you can see npm. Just click on npm and it will show you this command npm i-g opencode-ai. So we are going to copy this. Then we'll go back to our command prompt and we are going to paste it over here. So this command will install OpenCode in our system and it will install OpenCode globally. So I'm going to press enter. And there you can see it is installed. So right now, in order to see the OpenCode CLI, what we need to do is that we just need to say over here open code and then press enter. And it will show you something like this. Here you can see open code. So in this open code, we are just going to give some prompt and open code will build the project for us. Whatever prompt we give, open code will run every code for us and we don't have to write a single line of code. So in order to write the prompt, we're going to use ChatGPT. So let me just go to the browser and this time we're going to search for ChatGPT. Here you can see we're in the ChatGPT and right now we're going to give a prompt over here. So the prompt we're going to give is this one. I have created a Django project and I want to build a simple e-commerce website with functional admin panel with modern design using Django and SQLite. So when you install Django, it will automatically use the SQLite database. Okay. So that's why I mentioned over here SQLite and here write me a prompt for open code. So right now I'm going to click here and ChatGPT will write a prompt for us. And there you can see it started writing a prompt for us. And there you go, it's done. But there you can see it gives the whole prompt in on go. But what we want is that we want a step-by-step prompt so that ChatGPT don't, so that open code do not make any mistake while modifying or creating our website. So we're going to say over here, break this into step-by-step open code prompt. So I'll just copy this, paste it here, press enter. So ChatGPT will make a step-by-step prompt for us. And there you go. And there you can see in the first prompt, project verification and app startup. Here you can see user authentication, product model and admin panel, product listing, product details, cart functionality, order and checkout, and admin order management, and modern UI and responsive design. There is total 9 steps, and the last step is final cleanup and validation. And there you can see it's done. So right now we're going to copy and paste every prompt one by one. So do not just give the whole prompt at once like ChatGPT did before. You should make a step-by-step prompt and tell OpenCode to make the changes. That way it will give you a website without any error. So here you can see prompt on. So I'm just going to copy it, copy the prompt on. Then I'm going to go to the OpenCode CLI, here you can see, and I'm going to paste it over here. So Control V, and here you can see pasted 25 lines. So if I now press enter and make sure that you are in build mode. If you press tab, it will move to the plan mode. Make sure you are in the build mode. So make sure in the build mode, then press enter. And there you can see open code will start writing code for us. And it will also create some necessary folder and file for us as well. So it will take some time. Right now, I will just pass for the video. And one more thing, if open code asks for any permission, just give permission always. And there you can see it's done, and it took 2 minutes 43 seconds. So it will also show you the time as well. So after this, we are going to give our second prompt, which is this one. And you can also use open code. Here you can see the open code terminal. You are able to see it over here. You can also use open code in the Visual Studio Code as well. Let me just show you. I can just close this right now. Let me just minimize this and let me just open Visual Studio Code. Let's go inside this, and we're going to open our project. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folder, and our project was over here local disk G, and here you can see Django project. Let's go inside, and here you can see we have e-commerce folder over here. This is our project, so you need to select this folder, then click here select folder, and there you can see it opened over here. So open code just created a few folder and files over here. If you just close all of those, as you can see that open code automatically creates some folder for us. So right now, we're going to install open code in Visual Studio Code. So for it, I'm just going to click on view. Then here you can see terminal option, click on terminal. And here we can also install open code as well. So let me just show you. I'm just going to copy this command and paste it here in the terminal, then press enter. So it will install open code in Visual Studio Code as well. So you will also be able to use open code from Visual Studio Code as well. So here I'm going to say open code, then press enter, and it will open the open code CLI over here. And there you can see. So I'm opening this project using Visual Studio Code so that you can see whatever changes or whatever files or folder is created by open code over here directly. Okay, that's all. So let me just go to my browser. Then let's go to ChatGPT, and here you can see step 2. So I'm going to copy the step 2 from here, Control C. Let's go back to the Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to paste it over here, Control V. There you can see pasted 20 lines, then press enter. And there you go. It started working on it. And it also made some to-do list for this prompt. You can see that over here and also on the right side as well. So right now I will just fast forward the video until this prompt is complete. There you can see our second step is done, and it took 4 minutes. So let me just move to the third step. So all we are going to do is that we are just going to copy and paste the prompt. After that, we're going to check our website. So let me copy the third prompt. Let's go to our Visual Studio Code, paste it here, then press enter. So again, I will just fast forward the video. And I think this prompt will take some time because there is a lot of step in this prompt. We need to make some put operation and migrations as well. And this step is done, and this step took 4 minutes 26 seconds. So let's move to the next step, which is our step 4, create front-end product view. So let me copy this, copy it. Let's go to our Visual Studio Code, Control V. There you can see pasted 28 lines, then press enter. So this prompt will create the front-end design, the product page details. So again, it will make some list, and also on the left side, you will see whatever folder and whatever changes in a file is made. So that's the benefit of using Visual Studio Code, that you can see the changes over here directly, really easily as well. So again, I will just fast forward the video. And this command is done. So let me just copy another prompt. This is the fifth prompt. I'll copy this, paste it here, and wait for open code to complete the prompt for us. And this step is complete. So right now, let's go to our browser again. And we have 4 more prompts left. So these are 6 prompt. Let me copy this, and I'm going to paste it here, Control V. press enter, and I will just fast forward the video again. And this step took some time. It took 9 minutes 19 seconds. So let's move to our next prompt, and there is one more, three more prompt. So let me copy our seventh prompt, copy this, and this prompt is for admin order management. So I'm going to paste it here, then press enter. So this prompt took 5 minutes 14 seconds. After that, we'll move to the next prompt. This will be the eighth prompt. We are almost at the end, and this will be the final prompt. So again, I'm just going to paste it here, then press enter. And this prompt look quite small. It should only take a few minutes. So our 8 step is complete, and we only have one step left, which is this on prompt 9, finalize the project. It will check the validation. So let me just copy this, Control C, Control V, press enter, and just hope there is no error when this prompt is complete. And our last prompt is complete, and this prompt took 6 minutes 42 seconds. So right now, as you can see that our project is already running in this command prompt, but I would recommend you to run the project again one more time. So I'm just going to close this, and let me just go to my project, which is this one. I'm going to say over here CMD, press enter, and we're going to say over here Python manage.py run server. Then press enter. There you can see it's running. So let's go to our browser, and it's already running over here. I just need to refresh, and there is an error. And if you see any error, just don't panic. Just copy the error, then go back to your Visual Studio Code and paste it in the open code CLI. Then press enter. So it will fix the error for us. So it seems it's complete. Let me just go to the browser and refresh here. It seems for some reason it's not able to create the base.html file. Okay, what we can do is that let me just close this, and let me just restart the terminal again, and I'm going to server here open code, press enter, and here I'm going to give the error again. Let me just copy this and paste it here, press enter, and there you can see this time it is working properly, and it seems it's done. So let's go back, refresh, and it's now giving us different error. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Don't panic if you see any error, just copy and paste the error over here. And if sometime if open code is not find any solution, just close the current open code CLI and open another CLI, open code CLI. Okay. So there you can see it's complete in few seconds. Let me refresh, and there you go. We are able to see our e-commerce website. Let me just view the product. Click here. There you can see. So log in to purge. I'm going to click here, and there you can see it is telling me to log in. And if I now click on register, I can also register from here. But there is an issue. The thing is there is no menu at the top. So let me just see our open code that there is no menu bar at the top. Fix it for us. Then press enter. So first of all, we need to make sure that the website all functionality is working properly, and later we can always change the website design. So let me see how long it will do, and it says it's done, but let me see, it's actually done. Here you can see it added the menu bar at the top. So let me just click here register, and let's try to register. Let's say username Yamin, email will be yamin@gmail.com. Let's give a password. Let's say Shakil 1234. Shakil1234 and click here create account, and it's done. So right now we need to log in. Our username was Yamin and password was Shakil1234. Click here login, and there you can see right now we are logged in. So right now let's try to log into the admin panel. So I'm just going to log out from here, and we're going to okay, here you can see it already mentioned over here demo credential for the admin is this one. And also if you're not seeing any demo credential, you can just always ask over here, give me the admin credentials, and open code will give you the admin credential. And there you can see it give the admin credential, and we need to go to this link slash admin to go to the admin panel. So I'm just going to give over here slash admin, then press enter, and this is the admin login dashboard. So here it was admin and the password was admin123. Click here login, and this is our admin dashboard. So here I'm going to click on products, and it is showing us all the products over here. So let's try to add a product. I'm going to click here add product. Let's say here t-shirt. Let's choose the image. Let's choose this one. Click on open. So let's say our price will be 10 and discount price will be $8. Let's add a small description. Good shirt. Stock will be 10 and it will be active, and click here save, and then you can see it is saved. So right now, uh, if I just go to the view side, here you can see view side option. If I now click here, we are able to see the image. But if for some reason the image is broken, just go to the open code CLI and tell over here image is broken, please fix it for us, and it will fix it for you. So I'm not skipping any step, I'm just trying to show you everything. Let's click over here view details, click over here add to cart. It's added. Click on cart, click here proceed to checkout, and here you can see it is getting my name, email and username, but it is not getting my address over here. So what we are going to do is that we're going to say over here when we are about to check out, system should ask for our information like our address, our phone number, right? So I'm going to press enter, so it will understand what needs to do. So all we are doing is just giving some prompt. We haven't write any code, and we are not going to write any code in this tutorial. So it's done. So right now we're going to click here proceed to checkout, and I can see right now it is asking for information. So let's say here Yamin Shakil, let's give it a random phone number, shipping address, let's say Dhaka. We are going to give the city, state will be Dhaka as well, of a country. It says United States. Okay, that's fine. And if you want, you can add some note. Let me click here, placing order, and there you go. Everything looks fine. There is no error in our website. So let me just go to the admin dashboard and check whether everything is working. So in order to go to the admin dashboard, we need to say over here admin, press enter. So I'm going to say over here admin and password was admin123, then click on login. So let me click on orders. So we are able to see all the orders. Let me click on products. We are able to see all the products over here as well. So let's try to edit the product. I'm just going to click here, and there you can see we are able to edit it. Let me choose the image from here. Mechanical keyboard, right? So I'm just going to choose a random image. Click over here, open. Then click over here, save, and it's done. So I also want to see the image in the admin panel as well. So I'm just going to say over here, I I want to see the product images in the admin panel. Press enter. So while open code is Buddha org, let me just check other feature. So here you can see orders. If I now click on orders, I'm able to see the order. And here you can see all order pending, then confirmed. So if I now click on the order, I can change the order status from here. There you can see. So yeah, everything looks fine. So if you want a different design for the admin panel, you can tell open code that okay. So it is now showing us the image. It means the prompt is complete. And let me just try to add some image. Let me add the image. Just I'm just going to add some random image. Then I'm going to add an image over here as well. Just going to add some image so that the website looks complete and better. Okay, this will be the last one. After that, I'm not going to add anymore. Let's choose this one, click on save, and that's done. So it's complete. So right now, let me go to the website, and there you can see right now it's look actually really great when we have the product image. So if you want, you can change the design. Just tell your open code whatever changes you want, whether in the admin panel or in the customer page or front end. Open code will make the changes, and this website is complete. Obviously, you can add more option if you want. I just wanted to create a simple Django website, and it took me around 2 hours to make a website with both front end and back end. So yeah, it's really amazing to build a complete website like this in just 2 hours. Obviously, if you want to build a complex website, it will take more time. It may take 4 hours, 8 hours, 10, 20 hours. So the more time you invest, the better website you can make. And we make something like this amazing thing without writing any single line of code. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Uh, from this tutorial, I hope you will also be able to build your own website. If you like this video a little bit, just leave a comment. Whatever comment you want, it will help me a lot to get lot more reach for this video. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.